to the Wheel of Fortune DM Rota Edition! Sino man ang matapat sa yellow line ang magiging DMs natin for the week. Ready na? Go! Si Jan at si Marie!
The Duty Manager tool. To discuss more about the tool, may I introduce you to our innovator, Raf Del Villar.
So the background of the tool and its description. So in the past, before the one FI-Jobstream consolidation, so there's only BP, FI, and BPCO. So the logic for generating duty manager per month is simple since you only have to think of a fair division of work per members of each team. So it is done manually. So the creation of the DM Rota Tool was thought up by the incident management because of the upcoming one FI-Jobstream consolidation. So since the one FI-Jobstream consolidation will take up too much time for the IM and they will also be busy with the upcoming duties, there is a need to lessen the burden for them. We created the tool using Excel macro with VBA since it is what we think a flexible tool to use since it doesn't require much space and is easy to use. And there have been many modifications of the DM Rota tool due to constant changing of the logic of the program to meet special needs within the team. So we have been able to come up with 3 versions of the DM Rota tool. So the first version of the tool allows the basic usage with generating the DM Rota. So basically there is a DM1, DM2, DM3, DM4, so the daily on-call and the weekend on-call. So we have modified the tool again. So the second version of the tool, so it is a modification of the first version of the tool to allow flexibility and control for the user since the first version of the tool was limited. The third and final version of the tool, so the final version was created from scratch. So we added a new functionality in which you can generate a calendar version of the DM Rotas for the whole month.
The DM Rota tool automatically generates the duty manager scheduling for the month. The list of team members can be seen, edited, and added in the macro tab. It is from this list that the tool gets the duty managers to be assigned for a specific month. In this area, select from the drop-down list the month that you want the DM Rota to be created for. There are 2 templates that the user can choose from. First is the calendar monthly Rota template. The second one is the classic monthly Rota template, which shows the weekly view of the DMs assigned. If you wish to choose the calendar monthly Rota template, simply click the Generate Calendar Monthly Rota button. For the classic version, simply click the Generate Classic Monthly Rota button. After that, the templates will be automatically generated by the tool and can now be viewed in the DM Rota tab. The tool also tracks the people who were already selected and assigned as duty managers. In this way, only the remaining unassigned members can be chosen for the next generation of the DM Rota. Now let us hear from our incident management process owner, PM Espadon, who uses the tool for the DM Rota creation.
DM Rota a lot of manual work. So 4 years to create a Rota tool for a month, like I have to do a lot of manual filtering and sorting of the specialists per module, per region supported, and a lot of other considerations such as the planned and unplanned out of office dates of the specialists, and of course the business need is always a priority. So it would take me hours to complete a month's worth of DM Rota considering all those considerations, plus the DM rules agreed within the team, like the alteration of the FI to CO during weekends and other things. So with the automation of the DM Rota tool, aside from the lessening of the error because of manual intervention such as the erroneous filtering or sorting or the wrong DM rules applied, with just one click of a button after me just making sure that the list of the specialists is complete. I can generate a month's worth of VM Rota in a matter of minutes. So thanks to RAP for that.
We have heard that other teams are interested in using the DM Rota tool. Let us hear from Zarina Kervin in the SAP AMS PNG account.
Currently, we do our DM Rota manually. Use an Excel file with a list of our team members, then we correct who's not done yet, which is for the next week, etc. It would be more fair for everyone. Also, it would save us a lot of time in determining the next DMs for next month.
Because of highly capable, innovative specialists and the team's desire to make a difference, the DM Rota tool was conceptualized and created. So, through this, we were able to create a tool that achieved meaningful results in innovation, and the results simplified and improved DM selection process. Fair, objective, efficient. Even in the smallest things, even in our daily routines, we make it matter.